I'm recording. Okay. I'm going to apologize straight off the bat for the wind noise. It is going to be extremely bad today. We're out here at Abbott, Nebraska, down in Lincoln, and that was not proper English, but you know, it is what it is. But we're out here, me, Jamie, and Noah. Me and Noah brought our Surrons. Jamie has her 85. We're gonna ride the pit track, the vet track. We're doing this vet track. And apparently there's some trails back behind this flat track, so we're gonna hit those as well. Once again, I apologize for the wind. It's probably gonna be pretty loud, but you know, it is what it is. I've never gone over something like that. I've never actually gone over like the cement piping. I still have no front brake, so I'm gonna be taking it a little easy.
Oh shit.
Yerp. There's a lot of stuff blocking this way. Let's not. Nice and easy. Don't fall down the cliff. Alright, you gotta go back the other way. I really wish I had a front brake because I'm just dragging right now. Wait. I want to hit the tires. That's so cool. I feel like a freaking toddler because I just like making racing noises when I ride. Because there's no engine noises, so it makes it weird whenever I hit the gas and I don't hear anything besides just the chain. Oh! I fucking snapped it.
I saw it.
Yeah, no, I clean snapped it. Well, I guess I'm going to be riding without a foot peg. You sure you're going to try to ride like that? I didn't just pay 25 bucks just to do that.
True, but like, for the love of God, be careful.
I'm just gonna have to really grip my legs. I'm still jumping. Shit. I used to see is my foot peg. Other than the fact that I'm so off center every time I jump. Oh, that fucking, my left foot came off the peg. I was so scared. And then my right foot just went into the wheel. That hurt. Alright, let's see if I can go make a makeshift foot peg. Because this just is not gonna work. I'm gonna borrow this for a minute. felt good to have brakes. That grip so hard. My hands aren't even going. I'm trying.
So you're trying?
I'm trying to die. I want death. Exciting. Ow. 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 Ooh, that was fucking smooth. I actually think that track might be the most popular track out here. I don't know. I don't think that many people really ride the big bike track anymore. It's kind of shit. I don't like the big bike track. That's the whole reason I didn't even bother bringing the 250 out here. But I'm a little upset with myself now, considering it'd be nice to have at least something better than the 1 foot peg wonder to ride. Yeah, I feel like a BMX rider every time I hit that section just because of how I can freaking hold the wheelie through it.